All right, GoHighLevel just dropped something called AI Studio, and I am telling you right now, this might be one of the biggest updates they have ever released, because this is not just another feature they added with AI Studio. You can literally build full custom websites in under 2 minutes just by typing in what you want. I know it sounds like every other AI builder out there right now, but this is just different. This is not templates that are just drag and drop. AI Studio actually builds everything from scratch. I'm talking full website structures, service pages, service area pages, everything that you would need on a website. But here's where it gets kind of crazy. You can also have it build custom CSS widgets just by describing exactly what you want. So if you want something super specific, like a custom pricing section or a unique layout animation or hover effects, you just tell it and it will literally generate the code and implement it for you. So no coding, no hiring, no developer, none of that. Something most of these other AI builders just do not do. So instead of being stuck with basic designs, you can actually create something that look completely custom and also feels like something you've never even seen before. And where this really gets interesting is not just building websites faster than ever. Think about it. Instead of getting on a call and telling a client what you are going to build for them, you can actually show up to the call with actual value and a whole website done and built for them. And even a custom feature that they didn't even think that they could have on their website, you can now implement it. So now let's go ahead and show you exactly how this AI Studio feature works and how I've been able to do custom things for certain clients, and they have been absolutely loving it. So let's hop into it. So the way that you are able to turn on this feature is by enabling AI Studio. So what you need to do is go to your agency view, go to settings, go to labs, and turn it on for the sub account that you want it to have access to, or for the feature to be on. So once that is done, it will pop up right here, AI Studio, and you can see this is how it loads in. Now with AI Studio, like I said, you can literally do whatever you want. Now I will show you a fully built website that I did for a sound engineer that I know personally, and he's actually going to sign on to the agency. And I literally built this all just from prompting in AI Studio. So this is the website. Look, when I move the mouse, it has that type of, I think it's like a music type of note or something along those lines, and it moves with the cursor. And all I did was ask the AI Studio to add that feature, and it did it. And look, whenever you hover over this, look at how that looks. It literally flips the color just by me hovering over it. And then with the work, if we go right here, I was able to upload the images of the work that they have done, and I just said, hey, add it to No Dogs Die. This is the cover image. It added it. Same thing for this one. It's just us. I uploaded the image and said that's the cover art for that short film, and it added it. Literally, me at 22 years old, I don't have a degree in coding. I don't even have a degree in marketing. I don't have a degree in anything, and I was able to prompt this AI Studio to build this out fully. Next, the library. I was able to get a Dropbox link, ask it to add it to Cinematic Love Letter, and this is the Confessing Feelings track. Add it to that section, and it was able to do it for me. And so it was able to do it for every single one. So like if we click this drop down, I was able to link every single track to that actual Dropbox audio file, and it did it all for me. And even the timestamps updated as well. And then you push play and it will start playing the exact audio. Team, I was able to just upload their pictures and get them added there. Services, all I did was say, hey, these are the services for this business. Build a services page. And it did it all just by me. Again, like I said, I'm just a guy that started high level about 2.5 years ago. And I'm able to use this feature, prompt it, talk to it completely normal, not have to know some AI prompt language and be proficient in it. I've been training on it for 2 years. I was able to just hop in here and get this done. And then even the contact page. Look at this, desired timeline. It automatically knew to add all of this, even the budget price range. It did all of this for me. And all I did was tell it that this is pretty much a music website where they score audio, they edit the audio to make it sound perfect for movies. And it already knew what to add on the contact form. So this right here, I was able to build and literally, I would say get all this done probably in, I would say, a couple of hours. And this was my first time using it. And that was just a couple of hours. VAs take days to build entire sites. I was able to get this done in a few hours, and I can do it much quicker now. The only thing that was challenging about this site is just getting the Dropbox links. Pretty much getting the information took more time than the actual build out process. So let me show you another site, and I think that you will be very impressed with this next one. This is a window tinting company, and I was able to give them their old website, and it was able to make a much better version of it. And also I asked it to make a custom code widget to actually simulate what the tint looks like on a car. So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So this is the site, and if we scroll down, you can actually see this is the tent simulator. And what I actually did to prompt it is I said, I want to make a realistic custom widget where the viewer on the site can simulate what their car will look like with tint on it. Now I said, make the car an M3 competition. It actually did a very good job on adding that exact car. And then you can use this scroller to simulate how dark the tint would look. So we go all the way from no tint all the way to 5%. And like I said, I'm not a coder. I don't have years of prompt experience. I just told it and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Now you can change this car if you wanted. I just like an M3 competition. My myself, so that's why I put that, but I'm pretty sure you can just ask for whatever car you wanted, whatever the business owner wants to be displayed on their site, and I can almost guarantee that it can do it. I mean, if it listened to the M3 competition this well, I'm sure it would for others. And like I said, I just dumped in what all their services are, and it built the entire website. Got their phone number, got the contact form where they can even upload the photos of the car that they want the tent job on. This looks killer. And then let me show you a vehicle wrapping site that I also did as well. This site right here, because I already have a reference, it probably took 10 minutes, and that's with this custom code generated as well. So let me show you a vehicle wrapping one that I also did as well, so that way you can take a look at it and see how good it came out. Here's the vehicle wrapping website, and I actually wanted to show the contact form that I built out. Look at this. I asked it to build a custom contact form where the person can select their car brand and what vehicle wrap color they wanted. And look at this long list that they can choose from. This is absolutely amazing. And again, they can upload their car photos. Yes, you could do this in the past with HighLevel where you could upload photos, but it would take a lot more time. You have to go individually, go to that contact form and actually go add it in. But with this AI Studio feature, it automatically did it for you. Think about that. Think how much time you're saving. Think about how simple this is. Think about how this automatically prompts it to connect with the CRM. It literally asks you on the sidebar if you want to link the contact form to the CRM. So that way, when this information is filled out, it will be translated into their CRM. So look, enough showing you the examples that I've done. Let's go ahead and build a website from scratch in the AI Studio of an existing website, and let me show you how good it works. So let's find a very poor website online, show you exactly how this works and how we can even make this website better. So let's go ahead and find an eligible business that has a terrible website. Here, and I actually want y'all to come along with me on this journey. So I literally just typed in car wrap shop near me. I was just going to cut it till I found a good one, but here, let me take you along the ride with me. So let's see. Let's check out this one. They have a pretty decent one. Let's go. I want to look for someone that we can actually make a huge improvement on. So let's keep looking. Let's look for someone with lower review. Pristine wrap. Let's see what they have going. Oh, do they not have one? Here, let's open up their Facebook. Let's see what they have going on. Looking, loading. Pristine. Oh, so it seems like they don't even have a website. So actually, let's just go ahead and do this. We actually have their logo right here as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a site off of this. So Pristine Wrap Co. Let's actually go back. Was this the tab? Yes, this is the tab. Okay, so let's go ahead and get their business name. Go back to the studio. Let's back out of all this. Okay, so I'm going to say build a website for this company. Whoops, company. Boom. And then I just uploaded the company logo and make the website theme colors off of the logo colors. Hope that makes sense. And like I said, you don't even have to be good at coding or prompting to do this. So let's do save image. Just pull it, drop it in. Make them have services listed out on the site and make them SEO friendly. They are located in Hutto, Texas. Build service area pages for them as well. Now, this is a wrapping shop, so they probably don't do mobile services, I'm assuming, but I just want to show this for the purpose of the video. So build service pages for them as well. Give them the best cities around them in a 40-mile radius. And let's actually try something. Let's see if it can do it. Pull the photos from their Facebook and add them to the site. Let's see if it can do this. I'm not sure if it can, but hey, I'm very transparent here. I don't want to make it seem like it's all sunshine and rainbows, and it can do absolutely everything A through Z. So let's actually just show that. And if not, I mean, all you would have to do is just download the images from their Facebook and then just throw them in here. But let's see what it can do. And then let's go ahead and keep adding on to that. Build a contact form where they can select their car brand and vehicle wrap color. All right, and so let's go ahead and let it cook up and do its thing. Let's click enter, and so literally give it 2 minutes and it will be back. But yeah, so I want to go ahead and let you know that I am an affiliate of HighLevel, and so if you actually sign up using my link down below, you actually get a 30-day extended free trial with GoHighLevel. You get 2 Zoom calls with me per week. You get website templates, which with this, I mean, you can literally make your own website in 2 minutes. So I feel like that's even a thing of the past. But sign up using my link down below. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it, and I actually get paid from HighLevel to teach you how to be a successful agency owner. So it's just as in it for me as it is for you. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and click the link in the description. I believe it's going to be the second link. All right, So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Open it up in a separate tab and look at this. I mean, this is absolutely insane. In 2 minutes, this was done. Color change wraps, commercial fleet, PPF. Look at this. And look, it even pulled in nearby cities for where they service. This is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, I've been in this space for about 2.5 years, and this is literally unseen or unheard of. Now, yes, there's Lovable out there. Yes, there's these different ones, but Lovable, you just get to do the website. And I don't even think they offer live AI chatbots, and that's something that we can even add. And here, I'll even add it for you just on this video as well. But look at this. I mean, this is done A through Z, and then you can use GoHighLevel's features as well behind it. The CRM, the auto miscalled text back, the social media planner, all those different things can be used on top of this, which makes it an absolute killer service that you can offer. Commercial fleet, let's go ahead and click learn more. Look, it takes you down to exactly where you need to go. Request a quote, takes you to the contact us, and look, desired wrap color, brand, car brand. Look at this, automatically loaded in the brands. I mean, this is absolutely insane. So now, like I said, let's go ahead and make a tweak to it, and let me show you exactly how easy it is to get this done. So here's something I can think of off the top of my head. Let's do add the contact form to the header image on the home page to the right of the H1 text on the home page. So let's go ahead and tell it to do that, and then also add a live AI chat bot and train it on the info that is on the site. And also, let's see what else we can add. Add a wrap button on the home page. Again, I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, but let's go ahead and click submit and let it do its thing. And let's see if it actually listens to those different prompts that I gave to the AI Studio, and let's see how it does. So we'll come back whenever it's done. Also, just real quick, while it's doing its thing, I wanted to show you how it actually tells you what it's doing and what it's at. Look, it says adding the chatbot, importing the chatbot, updating the hero layout. It's literally telling you exactly what it's doing on the back end. I mean, that is absolutely so cool. So let's wait for it to finish, and then I'll show you the results. All right, and here we are. Look at this. It added the book a wrap. It added the contact form and the header image next to the H1 title. And then also look at this. It added the chatbot, and it already trained it on everything that we need. Hello, I am looking for a wrap. Thanks for asking. We specialize in premium vinyl wraps, commercial graphics. Look, it's already trained on everything that it needs to be trained on. And we didn't even do much. All we said is just for it to go off the info off of the site. So look, if you don't understand the value of GoHighLevel, if you don't understand how this is actually agency changing for these agency owners, or how you can even implement it into your own existing agency, then I don't know what to tell you anymore at this point. This is clear as day. It's clearer than ever what the value that GoHighLevel gives and how this can change your agency. So just wanted to make this video plain and simple and just show the value, the pure value that you can do with this. And I hope you do understand it. So if you want to actually increase your show rate, go ahead and click this video right here if you want to see how you can increase your show rate and how you can bring more value to these Zoom calls whenever you're getting them booked in, so that way they can actually show up on your Zoom call. So I'll see you in the next one.